Well, hi, Brian Janey here, Allegro Piano Service, and I'm here in my shop, and today I wanted to talk to you about something that I hope has not happened to you, and the reason for your watching this video. I'm going to talk about pianos that have been in house fires. It's kind of a dramatic thing. It's terrible. I used to be a firefighter, and I know what home contents and interiors of homes can look like after they've been burned, and it's pretty dramatic and it's scary. There's things though that you as a piano owner can do to prepare for circumstances like this that could be devastating. And one of the most important things that you could do is to make sure that your insurance provider knows you have a piano, and to provide them with a replacement value appraisal. That's something that is super important in particular situations where people may not realize that they have a piano that is incredibly valuable. I've had people that have inherited Steinway grands and so forth from family that have come down from a previous generation, and they had no idea that replacing that piano, if it's say a Steinway L or something like that, could be in excess of $80,000 or $90,000. And it's just something that your insurance company needs to know is present in your house, and that you provide them. I provide actually replacement value appraisals for clients of mine so that they can have that in their documents and can communicate it to their insurance providers. One other thing that you want to make sure of is that if you have a house fire, one thing that's super important is to make sure that piano gets out of that house after the calamity as soon as possible. The longer that that piano sits in the house with the smoky environment and everything going on to it, the less likely it is that it can be restored. I've had instances where pianos sat in the house for weeks after the fire, and it's really, really difficult the longer that the piano stays in the home to get the smoke out of all of the natural fibers and the unvarnished woods and everything like that if it stays in that place too long. There are some instances where fire restoration of a piano is actually not possible. There are situations where if the piano has been physically burned, or the room that the piano has been in has been superheated, that is a situation where, I'm sorry, the piano will be a total loss. If it's been sprayed by a fire hose in the process of the firefighters doing their work extinguishing the interior home fire, that is also a situation that it's impossible to redeem from. Once a piano gets wet, it's kind of all over, just like a guitar or a violin or something like that. And certainly if there's asbestos that has been in the house that was released in the process of the home burning, that's also kind of a game over situation, because asbestos remediation is way outside of the pay grade of most of those that do the sort of work that I do in restoring pianos that have been in soot and smoke damaged. There are many cases where I have had, actually this one here is one that I successfully removed the smoke from. And it is a very involved process. Actually, there's 3 different steps involved in doing it. You pretty much have to first completely disassemble the piano, vacuum and dry wipe all of the keys, parts, interior, cavities, everything that's in the piano, inside and out. And then you go through the process after that of doing a wipe on all of these same parts and all the accessible areas with a soot counteractant that is mixed with some water. And then after that, then basically the piano is chambered. And it's pretty much, there's a dry, warm, oil-based fog that is used to basically get into every aspect of the instrument that couldn't be reached with my sponge. There we go. That's what that's supposed to look like. There's so many natural materials in pianos, felt and wood and buckskin and all of that. And this counteractant, which is made for the trade, is actually very successful at removing the smell and the circumstance of soot in the piano. So there are things that can be done if the piano was not directly burned or was not superheated. If the piano was like in a room and it was a garage fire and it was some distance away and the smoke was not super bad, it can actually be reversed. If the fire was not super intense, it can be reversed. But there are very specific things that have to be kind of known prior to me, at least, taking a piano in my shop for this sort of work. So if you have any questions or you need any information about this, please be in contact. And I hope that the reason you're watching this is not because you've had a home fire. And that you can realize there are things that can be done if the piano in your home is particularly special to you. Thank you for watching, and I hope to hear from you if you have any questions about these things. Brian Janey here, Allegro Piano Service in Fallbrook, California.